In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to easily copy your Discord profile link on your mobile device. By following a few simple steps, you can help your friends easily find and connect with you on Discord using your unique profile link. To get started, open up the Discord mobile app and then tap on the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the U button at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down until you see an option called Advanced. Tap on it. Then you need to enable developer mode on Discord. To do that, toggle on this switch. Once you've done that, go back. Tap on the Servers button at the bottom left. Then select any server you like and find a message you've sent. If you can't find one, just send a new message. Then tap on your profile picture icon. And then tap on these three little dots at the top right. Then tap Copy User ID. What you want to do next is exit the Discord app and open up the Notes app on your iPhone. Then type discordapp.com/users/ and then just paste the copied user ID. This is your Discord profile link, so go ahead and copy this entire link and send or share it with anyone you want, and once they tap on this link, it will take them to your Discord profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.